Fun is just going down. We got tourists kind of everywhere. We're going to be heading down the street right over there, but we're going to start up in this area. The reason I'm going to start here because there's some kind of cool stuff like this coffee shop right here. And there's this kind of street right here, some more nice paints and murals. That one, of course, too, the rooftop. And we're basically going to go down the steps and then go down that street. And should be pretty cool. Should be a lot of tourists around, and you can see some shops and what it looks like at about 7 evening on a Friday. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's start our video. We're gonna come on down first. This is Carmel Auditorium. And then up there, there's actually a school and then a church up on top of the hill. And this is this little coffee shop right here. And we're gonna be kind of following this crowd, and then we're gonna go down this main street over this way. So before we even go down, we're gonna follow this way. This little thing says "Hello Macau" right there. So then we got some coffee shops right here and a rooftop right up there, and some more murals. So this kind of starts out our street a little bit. There's another rooftop up there as well. You can see the umbrella right there. Okay. So we're gonna do, you can see Galaxy in the distance over there as well. Galaxy Casino. We'll see it, I think we'll see it again when we go down to the end of our street, which is to the left. Got some rooftop bar right there. That space. Nice murals. And now we're kind of getting into the bulk of Taipa village. And we're basically going to be walking down this way. Oops. Down this busy street called Correia de Silva is the name of it. You can see lots of people kind of everywhere. But then you can see Galaxy. So this is a pretty crowded space. And you can see the Galaxy Casino all the way to the end of the street. So we're going to be walking towards that. And we're going to go across first. Let's kind of show you this whole ton of people all the way down here. This is called Cunha Guy. Rua de Cunha. Then we got all these little alleys in here as well. Like these little alleys like that. So this whole area is filled with these little alleys everywhere. We're going to go back to Correia de Silva in a moment. So we'll just kind of capture. I just want to share with you that there's some more alleys over here. And we could definitely go down any of these. So yeah, these little alleys just kind of meander around here. They're quite colorful too, so some nice painted buildings everywhere. It's called Taipa Village. This is Cunha Guy, the main drag. And this is kind of mostly known for all the food. So they'll call it Food Street. And let's see if we can... I do like that. Okay, so we're gonna go up. I'm kind of in this big plaza now, of course. So we're gonna be heading back to our street right over there, which is Correia de Silva. And it's pretty busy street. So, okay, so we're basically going to just walk directly down that way. A little bit hard to get through, but okay. So those are always pretty busy with people. Got a whole line of cars all the way down. This some rooftop bars up that way. You can see the word rooftop up there. So some of those will have restaurants and such. Okay, there's some nice little stairs like that, and then that's kind of where we're coming from. And these kind of goes into these little alleys that we could see from that other angle as well. Kind of cool buildings too. That's post-show. A little alley goes up where we started at from another way to get up there. So we're gonna go down to the other side of the street. We got more Munson. That's that. Okay. So let's keep on walking down. There's more of these little espalier patio. So these are other ones that this one doesn't go up to the top though. You see. Another rooftop right there too. This is a rooftop. There's a few rooftops up in this area. Okay. Got a giant rock right here as well. And then this is kind of cool. This is a little photogenic spot. So yeah, this is a very photogenic spot. I'm just gonna try to capture this whole space. Usually when tourists see me filming, they'll usually start taking pictures too. It's a little bit dark, but sometimes this can be quite beautiful, this little space, because it's there's yellow, pink, and green. Another rooftop right there, so you can eat up there as well. And then this one too, this is Goa Nights. So you can also eat up at that rooftop right there as well. It's really nice views when you're up there as well. Okay. So we are going to find a house right here. I'm going to come up on this side. This yellow one also has a rooftop too, so you can also eat up at the top of this one. Umun. That's like a tourist shop. There's a cat up there. The cat's always up there, so I think it's kind of a popular Instagram shop. Let me just kind of show you real quick. And there's the cat up there. There we go. Got green eyes. Okay. Just gonna keep on walking on down. You can see here's a Portuguese restaurant. Family eating outside. Huh. This kind of has like a Chinese building kind of look. Quite interesting. This one has a lot of let's kind of take a look at this real quick. All this kind of numerical stuff. Calligraphy. Yeah, this is that other building that I thought was kind of interesting. It has a very Chinese look, and also has like this kind of small little windows like that. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going on. Now you can see the galaxy pretty clearly straight ahead. And then down that way, there's a plaza down that way with a bar called OTT, Old Taipa Tavern. Over here there's a kind of a fish restaurant. Yeah, this one went down because of but it has like a kind of cool spots in here, like this rooftop, this space right here. But yeah, you can eat here and kind of look outside. But a tree fell and landed on top of it. Maybe during COVID, during typhoon, about maybe 3 years ago. Looks like it's back in business again though. And of course this building is always kind of cool looking. Okay. So the end of the street goes out to Correia down that way. It's getting a little bit too dark to film, but that was basically our street. The temple right there. So that was our focus right there. And we were kind of up in that hill. This is part of that hill that goes that way as well. And let me just see. Gonna walk down a little bit further down. And if we come out to the end, that goes to Correia Street on a nice plaza. So I guess we'll just come out to the end real quick. And that's the plaza right there. So I guess we'll come out here. A lot of people come to this ice cream shop right over there. Our focus was basically down that way. I guess we'll just go all the way down to the end here. So now we can come down to this ice cream shop right here. I don't know how it looks in the dark though, but so yeah, now we're on Correia Street. So we're going to be ending this one in a moment. But that was our target street, directly down that way. It's kind of dark from this angle. Okay. And on that note, how dark it looks. In this space it looks quite dark. Got a bus stop right here, so then we're just going to come up and then we're going to end it kind of back at the base where this temple is at. Kind of cool though. Correia de Silva is the name of the street. Then this street has a ton of banyan trees all the way down. Okay. So that was kind of the end of the street, all the way down to Correia, and then our street started up there. So we'll just end it right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.